right, we just smashed our ripe bananas on our sheet pan. Now I have my no-bake cheesecake, and we're gonna grab our ice cream scoop and we're gonna scoop our cheesecake right on top of those bananas. This is gonna be a super easy, super delicious, no-bake dessert that everyone will love. It is so great for summer, but it is delicious year round. And we are gonna use about half of our container of no-bake cheesecake. Now, if you wanted this to be a little bit healthier, you could use some Greek yogurt instead of the no-bake cheesecake, but I wanted this to be decadent and delicious and something that you're gonna wanna eat as a dessert after dinner. So we're just spreading that on top of our bananas. We kind of wanna make sure that we cover up our bananas entirely, but this is gonna be so yummy. Okay, we did our best with that, and don't worry if it's a little bumpy. We are gonna come in now with our sliced strawberries, and I did wash and cut these myself, and we are gonna start layering our strawberry slices right on top of our bananas and cheesecake. I mean, come on, what's not to love? We have our bananas, cheesecake, and strawberries. I think these flavors go beautifully together, and I'm so excited to get this together. So we are just gonna keep layering our strawberries until this entire dessert is covered in strawberries. Okay, we filled this up super fast. These strawberries smell so amazing. I'm so lucky to have access to some fresh strawberries like this, but this looks absolutely delicious. Perfect. Okay, for our next step, we are grabbing our dark chocolate chips in a microwave safe container. We have this right here. And then I have my coconut oil, and we are gonna just add a cookie scoop of coconut oil into our chocolate chips. This will just help it get nice and melty and make sure we don't burn it. But we are gonna put this in the microwave for 30-second increments until it is fully melted. All right, our dark chocolate melted perfectly. And if I didn't mention it already, you can use whatever kind of chocolate you like, but we're gonna drizzle this right on top of our entire sheet pan. Oh. And I have my spatula here because we are gonna spread this out to kind of encase everything as I mentioned. So we're just gonna go ahead and spread this on top. Try to make sure your strawberries don't move around too much, but we're just gonna get a nice layer encasing everything. It smells so good. I know I already said that a million times, but I mean it because this is gonna be absolutely delicious.
Oh, I love chocolate.
Me too. All right, this is the best we can get, but it doesn't need to be perfect because we are gonna cover this up even more. So we're going for kind of like a banana split bark. Yep, you heard that right. So we need some nut topping on this because what is a banana split without your peanuts on top? And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Obviously, if there's anyone allergic to peanuts, you can skip these, but I think this is gonna be a nice little crunch for this dessert. A nice little savoriness, saltiness, just what we need with all of that sweet going on. And then last but certainly not least, you gotta add some rainbow sprinkles. And this is the dye-free one, so it's a little bit healthier, right?
Yeah, totally.
And we're just sprinkling that right on top. But if you don't like sprinkles, you can skip this. You can do whatever toppings you like. You do some like Heath chips on here. You could do some walnuts, whatever, and it would be delicious. And we're gonna get the edges a little bit covered too because we want this whole entire thing to be nice and pretty. All right, now this is gonna go into the freezer for a couple hours so it can harden. All right, we just took this out of the freezer. I'm so excited. I think the best way to go about this is to get a spatula and kind of just get right underneath there. Oh my gosh, yes, it's coming off perfectly. I didn't even need parchment paper. And we're just gonna break off pieces of our banana split bark. Oh my goodness, I have a little display right here. Now this needs to be stored in the freezer or else it will just kind of fall apart. But these are gonna be such yummy little snack pieces. You can make them as big or as little as you want. Okay, look at those layers. We have the banana, the cheesecake, the strawberry, and the chocolate. I think it is time to give this a try. I'm so excited.
Sounds like bark.
That was absolutely delicious. You guys are gonna love it.